Did you know that people with written goals are three times more successful than people who have their goals in their head? It was the time of 2019 when I was preparing for my GRE exam, which is an exam uh, to be given if you want to go for a master's outside India. That was the time when I gave my first GRE attempt, and the score was so less that my chances of getting a good university was hampered. The chances were very, very less. So with that, I decided to give a second attempt. But before giving the second attempt, I started to write down my goals. I started visualize my goals. I started to visualize the score that I am planning to get. I started writing the score that I'm getting. I started visualize the universities and the admits from universities that I'll be getting. I started to visualize the first day of my university, dream university, and what things I'll explore in my first day when I get an admit from that particular university. So as I did this, I wrote goals before sleeping and after I wake up every day for the next 3 months. I understood that when we write goals or visualize the things that we want before sleep, that's when the time our subconscious mind is very much receptive to thoughts and it gets programmed in that. So I wrote goals every day, visualize them religiously. But as I approached the day of the exam, I got sick. I had a fever, and I also got thoughts that should I postpone my exam. But still, I did not give up. I went to give the exam, and as soon as I started uh, the test, I found out that some of the questions were also a bit difficult to answer. But with my instincts and the studies that I have done, I managed to finish the test. And after the test, the result was declared very, very soon. And that time, after seeing the result, I, it was unbelievable. The, the score that I had written, my goals, and the score that I had got, there was not much difference in those. And that score helped me to get three ambitious universities from USA. Hence, goals are very important. Writing goals, visualizing them as they have already happened, and believing in them is something that will help you to achieve anything that you want. Thank you.